So here we are again, and this continues on how to cook on a Santa Maria, and everything I've been doing for you has been live fire cooking, asado, meats, Argentinian style, a little bit of a twist of what I do. So the first thing we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a pork picanha. Nice knives, right? Check these knives out, woo, yeah. So we're gonna come in here, we're gonna open it up. Now, I have a paper towel down because very, very important. We want to dry this bad boy off. And today, you've seen me do a lot of times, I do like the whole picanha. We're not doing that today. I am going to do picanha steaks, but we're gonna do them on the skewer. I'm gonna do this nice steak here. And do this little piece on the end, because that is some beautiful white pork fat right there. So then, beautiful skewers. The steaks are gonna fold, right? So we're gonna come through here. Watch your finger on the other side. So what I'm doing is I'm making a moon, half moon. You're gonna come in one side, go through it. Watch your fingers, push, come through to the other side, okay? Then we're gonna do this piece. Same thing, watch your fingers. Now, what I am doing here, I am doing my picanha rub. My picanha rub. Patagonia, Ember Salt Co, Patagonia. So I'm gonna do it on both sides. Now, what I'm gonna do with this, I keep a bag of towels. My wife loves them, by the way. Just ask her about them. No, seriously, I don't use her good stuff. I learned that really quick. When you own the fire, you own your towels. These racks are removable. Now I'm gonna come right over here and we're gonna leave that right there. We're gonna let that go nice, low, and slow, okay? Might be a little bit even too close to the fire for me. So when you're cooking with something like this, never go to touch anything without something like this. So, you know, you see how high up this is, but the heat between down here, we're already getting a little color on this. So we're already starting to render out some fat, so I'm gonna give it a turn. You know, this is good quality pork, but I'm still gonna go a little longer than I would if it was like Iberico. So we're gonna pop these lemons on. One thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them back here over the fire. Over the fire, we're gonna own the fire. Okay, so here we are. Pork picanha. Take a look at these things. Look at the color on this. This is what you want. Again, make sure you use a rag. When you come off the live fire, I mean, this little piece of metal is hot right here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here. Now, the beautiful thing about this is you can use this here too, but watch this, watch this. Oh my gosh, look at this. It is like butter, oh my gosh. All right, so we are gonna enjoy this. This has my Ember Salt Co Patagonia rub. I mean, listen, I don't even need a knife right now. If you see this cutting, I can't even go on anymore. I have to get in here. There's two other little, I'll cut these up real quick. Okay, so we're gonna come in here. We're gonna do, Tony, what are we drinking with this one?
We are doing a Pinot Noir.
A little Pinot Noir with this one? I mean, come on, check this out. This was the first one I got. This is what started Own the Fire right here. My buddy Dave was here Memorial Day and said, oh my God, those knives are so cool. I gotta get one. So I'm gonna take my Pinot Noir. I'm gonna say cheers. I'm gonna say thank you. And I'm gonna eat a piece of pork picanha. I almost said pork wagyu. The Ibericos, we're gonna do a little drizzle over here. All right, check this out. Watch this. Watch what we're gonna do. We're gonna taste it first. Oh. This is special. You gotta try this.